Hello guys, welcome sa ating video, and today ipaprank natin ang nanay natin pati si tatay. So simulan na natin to. So mag-normal tayo and start. So tingin nyo mangyayari. Tingin nyo mangyayari guys. Tingin nyo napakalandi ng tatay dito. So ayan. So wala pa alam, nanay. Okay guys, so kailangan natin to. Bilisan mo, babalitin si nanay. Ano siya? Oops. Lagot.
What's that noise?
Wait lang. Ba't ang hina?
I hope I don't get cut. What kind of sharpness is on the ice?
Lagot.
Is it just me or? I keep thinking something is wrong again. Looks like I made it.
So, ayan si tatay, mahilig manood sa Korean. So,
How could you not see that?
hello tatay, pwede manood dyan ha. Ito. Ano yan bro? What the fuck? So, tingnan nyo kung paano yung lumandi guys. Ito. Woy! Yung landi talaga ni tatay. Ito yung cellphone ni tatay. Basan yung oras. Lobat. Wait, may kiddo dito.
Oops.
Patay.
Is that noise coming from bedroom?
Uloy, di ko nasara yung pinto. Ay, ano yung ilaw? Patay.
I don't get it. Who turned on the light?
Tatay.
Well, you are getting the belt now. Hey, where did you go?
Nag-ano po ako, tay. Nasa cabinet po ako, tay.
Gotta go water the Christmas tree. In the closet.
Lagot ka na sa cloud.
Drop what you are doing. Our son is trying to escape again.
Naku, dalawa rin naghahanap sa akin. Patay!
Take the broom and go sweep the snow.
Ayoko! Ay, naku. Pala, di ko nang ginawa yun. Ang galing naman maganap ni nanay. Si tatay parang tanga dun.
Get it together. Time is ticking.
Ay, naku. Puro kasager. Adik ka na dyan. Ay, naku. Linis na lang natin to. Para huwag na tayong pagalitan ni nanay. Grabe yun. Parang itlog to. Yan. Tanay.
Lazy bones.
Grabe, pinapalinis sa atin, oh. Siyempre, nay, lilinisin ko ng buong bahay.
Remember, you mess up again. It will be very, very bad for you.
Okay. So, pinabalik ko tayo sa room ni nanay. Dahil sa sawa na siya, pagalitan ako. Open natin tong PC. So, balik tayo dun. Ayan si tatay. Parang tanga. Nasaan yung susing? What the?
You messing around with the pack!
Huwag ka nga, ano. So, guys, sa mga hindi alam yung password, i-show ko sa inyo yung password. So, ito yung password. Tingnan nyo nga.
How much longer?
Andrew 2002. So baka mga bagong player dito di pa alam eh. Okay nyo. Iyan. Hi baby. Tingnan natin.
I'll go check with Rachel.
Tingnan nga natin. Uy, pwede ka maglaro ng Metal Escape. Idala nyo niya for free.
Let's start.
Patay.
I'm going to get it now. Is this how you do your lessons?
Lagot. Nalaman niya nga ako yun.
Come on. Run 3 laps around the house.
Nalaman ako na ako yun.
Well,
Nalaman niya guys. Grabe naman tong tatay na to. Umuulan ng snow. Grabe.
you're completely stupid.
Grabe. Nalaman ni tatay na ako yung nag-chat sa kanya.
Come here.
Wala tay. Tumatakbo naman ako tay. Tumatakbo naman po ako.
You're completely stupid.
Ayoko panoorin. Yan. Retry agad. Ayoko panoorin yun. Grabe naman si tatay, no? Ano ko yung pwedeng gawin? Si nanay nagluluto. So, gawa tayo ng mga prank. Yung smoke. Kasi umahanap tayo na ito. So, ang galing nila guys. Sobrang galing nila. So, sobrang galing ng tatay ko. Napaluin ako.
That's not fair. Now I have to sit and do homework because of that teacher.
So, ulitin natin guys. Yan.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute, mukha mo nanay. Kaya muna ka na doon nanay. So, sawan-sawan na marinig yung boses mo.
Where are you going again?
Patay. Yun na siya.
Oops.
Lagot.
What the heck has happened there?
Nay, baka ikaw yun, nay. Nag-aaral ako dito.
I hope I haven't forgotten anything.
Patay.
What an idiot.
Was someone here?
Woo!
Thinking something is wrong again.
I thought I was done for.
So si tatay naman prank natin. Dahil iritang-irita na ako sa kanya.
What kind of circus is on the ice?
So, yan. Kulit ka. Ito, sabi.
How much longer?
Pumunta na siya dyan. Wait lang. So, tingnan natin kung mag-chat to.
I need to check
Patay.
if this fool is studying.
Tatay. Titi ko na tatay. Tatay? Hello, tatay.
Then you'll tell what you learned.
Muntik na ako dun. Muntik na ako dun.
I'm coming!
Okay, pupunta na siya.
And there is another miss!
Ang ginagawa niya?
Who was that?
Ay, yung kalbo po yan.
Where are you going there?
Wait lang. Parang may music dito ah.
Gotta go water the Christmas tree.
Patay ka. Papunta na si nanay.
Come on!
Stand
Come on,
ka.
come on, come on!
Magtatanim si nanay. Yun siya oh.
They got anyone from an ad or something? I don't get it! What's that noise?
Tatay. Lagot.
Come here!
Patay!
Gotcha! Do 20 squats.
One,
1, 2,
three,
3,
four,
4,
five,
5,
six,
6,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14, 15, 15, 16, 7, 8, 9, 20. Watch yourself. Behave well from now on.
Grabe to ah. Ay nako. So, hanggang dito muna ang video guys. So, ang parusa nila, ang ano. So, kung nag-enjoy kayo, mag-subscribe na kayo and like, share, and comment. See you to the next video. Bye-bye!